Okay, we're going to show you how to do the motor hard mount on the Burdick Eclipse LE or the Eclipse. So what I've done, I've taken all the rubber mounts off the motor, and I have some 1/4 inch 20 by 1 bolts. 1/4 inch 20 by 1 bolts and nuts. Okay, that's the bolt. These are the nuts. What I've done to use them as a spacer, these nuts normally have, these are threaded. They have threads in them. I have taken the threads out. I have drilled these nuts out, so now they're just spacers. Where the hell is it? There's no threads in that. See, they're just spacers. I drilled out the threads. Then, you got to take, here's the print head. You got to bend this piece. See what I've done here? I bent this piece out. I put it on a vise and just bent this piece out. You have to do that, otherwise you cannot get this this bolt to go in this hole. With one hand I can't get it to go in there either. So you have to bend that so that you can get this bolt to go in like that. Once you do that, if you notice, 2 of these bolts and 3 washers is the same height. 2 bolts and 2 or 3 washers. 2 bolts and 2 washers is the same height as the original. This is the okay. So when you put this thing through, you take 2 bolts that have been drilled out. So you just slide over. There's no threads in them. And you put 2 washers. And that's what's going to bolt up to this to hold it in place now. Okay? You put one on one side and one on the opposite side. You put one here and you drill out this one here. Just those 2 diagonally from each other. Okay, I'll show you when I'm finished.